Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dewi Rahmawati. You can call me Dewi. I come from class 2G of the elementary school teacher education study program. My purpose to making this video is for carry out the assessment of the English, which is we are discussing the COVID-19 pandemic and the impact of quarantine on the mental health of the adult population. So watching this video, guys. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is new disease that can cause respiratory disease and pneumonia. It is caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2 infection. How to overcome COVID-19? Isolation and quarantine are two important public measures to prevent transmission of the coronavirus from one person to another. The new environment, departure from loved ones, and insecurity over disease status in quarantine can exacerbate mental health issues. Quarantine. Quarantine refers to the separation and restriction of movement of people who are not all affected by an infection disease to determine if they come well thereby reducing the risk of infection on another. Whether isolation refers to the separation of people who have been diagnosed with an infection disease. Whether there will be a negative impact on quarantine. Some research have concluded that the negative impact on the mental health of quarantine respondents is higher than that of non-quarantine respondents. Therefore, psychology counseling, usually virtual techniques, should be offered explicitly for days in quarantine, which will provide comfort and follow-up care and mental health service that can be provided as needed. COVID-19 in Nepal. On 13 January 2020, the Nepal's government imposed a full lockdown in the country, including a travel ban, restricting movement within the country and focusing on quarantine measures to prevent COVID-19 transmission. The local government has also set up quarantine centers. However, the severity of increased infection in Nepal has increased due to the open borders with India and China. Many migrant workers and others returning to Nepal from other regions are asked to stay in special quarantine camps until their 14-day quarantine period is over. Will the measures taken by the local government have been quite successful? It turns out the quarantine also has a negative impact on the people's physical health. A review study responded harmful mental impacts of quarantine such as post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD, anger, and anxiety are increasing and sustained. Percentage of anxiety level and mental health in COVID-19. Another study that analyzed the psychological impact of quarantine in India showed that 23.2% of individuals face mild depression, 11.9% faced mild anxiety, and 30.3% of people faced severe stress, respiratory failure. Then research conducted by Faresney 2020 on the Indian community revealed that 16.8% of respondents had minimal psychological impact on the COVID-19 pandemic, followed by 14% trivial mental impact, 5% moderate psychological impact, and 5% moderate psychological impact. 12.7% severe mental impact. Another study conducted by Segal 2020 found that 13.4% of respondents faced depression and 13.1% of respondents faced anxiety in the general public in Nepal. Ascendant women were left alone and spent time watching COVID-19 news are more likely to experience depression and anxiety. Solution: the COVID-19 pandemic and quarantine caused adverse impact on mental health. Results from this study show high level of psychological impact, depression, and anxiety among quarantine respondents compared to non-quarantine respondents. The female gender was less likely to experience anxiety compared to the male gender in quarantine group. Therefore, it can be called that a significant number of the quarantine population is at high risk of experiencing quarantine, include mental health problems during in the pandemic. So the last, thank you for watching this video, guys. See you.